Today's tribute is to the prolific and legendary actor, Mr. Sidney Poitier. I'll be reenacting a scene from one of his films. Guess who's coming to dinner? Scene. You listen to me. You say you don't want to tell me how to live my life. So what do you think you've been doing? Telling me what rights I've got or haven't got, and what I owe to you for what you've done for me? Let me tell you something. I owe you nothing. If you carried that bag for 1,000,000 miles, you did what you were supposed to do. Because you brought me into this world, and from that day, you owe me everything you could ever do for me, like I would owe my son if I ever have another. But you don't own me. You can't tell me when or where I'm out of line or try to get me to live my life according to your rules, Dad. You don't understand what I feel, what I think. And if I try to explain it to you for the rest of your life, you will never understand. You are 30 years older than I am, and you and your whole lousy generation just believes the way it was for you is the way it's got to be. And until your whole generation has just lain down and died, will the dead weight of you be off of our backs? Do you understand me, Dad? You've got to get off my back. Dad, I love you. I always have, and I always will, but you think of yourself as a colored man, when I think of myself as a man. Now, I've got an important deal to deal with, and I need to think of it fast. Will you please go tend to my mother? Scene. As a wise man once said, Mr. Sidney Poitier, if your dreams do not scare you, then they are not big enough. Many blessings, and we thank you, Mr. Sidney Poitier.